We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase in Italian, meaning with cream. You will find it associated with various preparations in Italian cuisine, including, for example, espresso coffee. How do you go about pronouncing it? Con. Con meaning with in Italian, and then panna meaning cream. You do want to stress on the double N. When there is a double N in Italian, it means you have to make a longer N when you pronounce it. Panna, panna, and insist on the first A and the N's. Panna. Espresso con panna, for example, or affogato con panna, con panna. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many useful terms and names and words from Italian cuisine, the names of all of those dishes that we love from Italy. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.